What's up, family? She's feminine.
Swaddy Cop.
She's beautiful.
Hey.
Swaddy Cop.
She doesn't nag.
Hey, man. You call? You call means hungry. You hungry? You want to feed the big old leg?
Child, you call it.
Little Nick waist and the big old leg?
She lets me get my work done. She cooks me breakfast every morning.
That's turkey bacon, right?
She prepares my dinner.
Oh, yeah. Thanks, baby.
She inspires me.
Yo, Adrian! I did it!
Damn, sound like a perfect woman. Well, at least that's what this black guy described who went to Thailand to find himself a woman. Who got a problem with it? Anybody got a problem with that?
I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel OG. All right, let's get into it. As a lot of you probably already know, Zoom to Thailand is heating up in the States. In a real way. I'm showing men and women in real time that you don't have to settle. My lifestyle, the way I'm living, what I'm bringing you guys each and every time. It kind of seems hard to believe. The haters think I'm tricking, and I get it. But you're missing the big picture here, dog. In America, this type of life seems too good to be true. Shout out to World Star, shout out to Thrills. Even the OG Willie D had to speak on. Before I get started, I have to give a shout out to all my new subscribers, supporters, and the people that's in the comments section. I can't say it enough. You guys are the ones that keep me going. Salute. Let's hear what Willie D had to say.
One thing that I will give him credit for is that he's not bashing black women. He's not bashing black women. He's not bashing black women.
I appreciate that, Willie D.
I would just say just dudes that date outside of their race, black specifically, they got this thing where they like to, talk down on black women. And you got black women that date outside of their race that like to talk down on black men too. He's not bashing black women.
Anybody that grew up in the hood can tell you our first loves are black women. My ex-wife is a black woman. Even though I don't agree with all the extra stress and all of that drama they put on us as a black man, I would never talk down on a black woman in public. Anything beyond that, you need to speak to my lawyer, Kevin Samuels.
What y'all think? Good luck, bad luck.
Now that's a great question, guys. Okay, what do you think? Am I wrong for living a stress-free, drama-free lifestyle? Should I have stayed in America and just settled for what I could get? Should I accept this modern American woman and their style of behavior in a country that treats us like second-class citizens? Should I feel bad for having a beautiful woman take care of me and wait on me hand and foot without complaining? Or am I fronting for the cameras? Is this some Milli Vanilli publicity stunt? I want to hear what you guys think. Drop a line in the comments section and let me and Willie D know what you think. By the way, I'm building my team from the ground up. I'm looking for a reliable and talented social media staff to help make Zoom to Thailand the #1 travel podcast in the world. I'm a one-man band when it comes to this editing, but I can't keep putting out quality episodes and be effective at the social media game. I just want the best person for the job. Serious inquiries only. Please contact us at info@zoomtothailand.com. Well, all right, y'all. The only reason why I've come this far is because of people like the lead attorney, Dante's Boxing Nation, Mediocre Tutorials and Reviews, World Star, Think Smart Financials, and now Willie D Live. Let's hear what else Willie has to say. One thing I know, when Willie D takes that long inhale breath, he's about to go in. I was like, here it comes.
I don't have to sleep with her. I don't have to smell her morning breath. I don't have to worry about her balancing the checkbook. I really don't care who people decide that they want to be in intimate relationships with.
Whew. What you got to love about Willie D is that whether he agrees on your opinion or not, he always calls a ball and a strike a strike.
I don't know why they always try to act like black people all think alike, but we don't.
Willie D's a boxer. Anybody that knows boxing knows it starts with the jab. You set the opponent up with the jab. You lull him to sleep. Then boom, you drop that right hand.
That's it, Tim.
That's what he did here. He also made some good points. Break it down.
I got my own problems. It's very difficult to pair, very difficult to find companionship, somebody that works for you, right? And I just believe that let people do what works for them. On a personal note, I don't think this is going to work out long term.
That is boom. You know what? He's probably right. But me bringing my girl to America defeats the whole purpose of me living in Thailand. Even if I didn't have a girlfriend, why would I want to go back with her and subject her to all that craziness back home? She has a different mindset and a pure heart. To be put in that type of environment, that doesn't make sense to me, Willie D. But let's keep going.
I do believe that this is going to come to an abrupt end.
Yes, it's over. The picture gone.
As soon as those American women get in her ear, it's a wrap. He better keep her in the house, locked all the way up, because the moment she come out, and it's over. Now, one thing he got going for himself is that she don't have to work.
Exactly. When it comes to the bills and the protection of my woman, I got this. She plays the role of the woman, and I play the role of the man. It works out great.
You go out into corporate America, and it's a whole different ball game. Just like that. Those women started getting in her ear, talking about, what do you mean you have to ask him, can you go on a vacation with the girls? What do you mean you got to ask him, can you go to the club?
That's never gonna happen.
Next thing you know, she starts challenging these things. Because she was like this traditional chick who was, cook, clean, keep the house, keep the house in order while he go out and get the money and all that kind of stuff. And it worked for a long time. But I guess, it wasn't enough for her. So, she started switching it up. Next thing you know, Splitsville. And that's what's gonna happen the moment she get around American women, it's over.
See, Willie D? That's where you didn't do your homework. In a normal American situation, you would be absolutely right. From the way it sounds, you think I came to Thailand to import a girlfriend and bring her back to the U.S. No, sir. I'm a man of a certain age, and I've come to learn that nothing lasts forever, especially life. I'm gonna let it do what it do till I can't do what it do no more. You dig?
Right now it's working out. There's a whole lot of women in Thailand would take that deal.
There's a lot of men in America that'll take this deal too.
All she gotta do is cook. That's it.
Well, to be honest, Willie D, that's not all she does. She also washes and irons and folds my clothes. And remember, I don't ask for any of this. Not one time have I asked her to do this. I did teach her how to make grits, though. Actually, it wasn't me, it was my cousin Kent, who was a grit specialist. Once I found out they had grits out here, it was a wrap.
I don't know how long it's gonna last, but one thing I do know is that I very seldom see old couples like that. You might see them young chicks, and they'll be around for a couple of years or so, and then once they get their foot, they get that visa, they get their green card, and they get their foot on solid ground, they start meeting a few friends. Next thing you know, they're gone.
Gotta go.
So I haven't heard him put down black women or whatever, so I ain't gonna go in on him. But I don't see this working out long term for dude. She inspired.
What happened? Oh, Lord. Cop, coon, cop.
That's
Oh, I got
what
the pancakes.
That guy described who went to Thailand to find himself a woman.
Baby, I'm the black guy that went to Thailand.
Anybody got a problem with that?
Willie want to know if anybody got a problem with that. You got a problem with that?
I don't know.
Good look, bad look. But, you know, hey, you know, I wish him well.
Ghetto boys for life on mine.
I would be interested to know what you guys feel about this. Drop a comment, fam.
And as we wind down this episode, you know what I'm about to do. I got the turkey, bacon, and the chicken. Okay.
Okay.
Cop, coon, cop. Thank you.
Okay,ค่ะ
Cop.
Welcome.
No more talking.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mack, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mack, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mack, travel OG, let's go.